I'm at the Gilmore Car Museum today, and it says Grandpa's Pedals right here. If you're wondering what Grandpa's Pedals is, this is a huge collection. All sorts of different pedal tractors. I'm going to guess that just about every make is represented. Farmall, Ford, New Holland. That's just what we're seeing so far. There's some internationals. Oliver. Geez, there's more in the middle too. Panther Automatic, Challenger, Gibsons. A little bit of everything here. If that wasn't impressive enough, this trailer is hooked to another trailer. You got your Cockshots, your Co-op, John Deere, Case, Allis-Chalmers. Okay, I'm loving this one. That might take a little extra effort, but you're not going to get that one stuck. That one's kind of cool. I wish you get the pedal combine back there. Little John Deere pulling a very long trailer in the middle part. Man, this is an incredible collection. Ranch King, Wheel Horse, Wizard Western Auto Stores, okay. Kubota, Steiger. So many of these things. Ferguson Special. There's a lot of these I haven't heard of. Okay, that one's kind of cool.
Just by the Shell station, as well as the sawmill, the fanning mill, the thresher. All these things will be operating and for you to enjoy and see throughout the day. And don't miss the feature toy on display in the tent across from the Lulu Diner.
Spirit of 76. That's cool.
Thank you and enjoy the day.
Well, I guess that's why there's so many of these here. The hunter just said that the feature for this show was toys. This particular collector certainly has it covered. Not sure if these two are together, but that one says Shirley's Toys. And Shirley's using a 53 Chevy to pull hers. Pedal-powered Caterpillar. There's a new one. The Allis-Chalmers has articulating steering on a pedal toy. There we go. Girls have tractors too. There's a little purple one in there. Another there's a track-powered Oliver. That one's got to be pretty rare, pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that, another gooseneck hooked to a gooseneck. Both of these collections are just real impressive. Yeah, and both these collections are together. This is all basically one giant collection. I wonder if they know how many they have just offhand. Oh, look at the Oliver, and that's the Orchard tractor. Geez, look at the detail. You even have spark plug wires up on that one. It's going to have a mess. One wire is broken. Another Track International up there. Man, this is impressive. When you look at all of it together, that is just so many toys. What a cool collection.